Are you a woman? Cause you feel a woman. If you feel like a woman, feel like a woman. Feel like a woman. Hi gorgeous, Elijah Alex here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi gorgeous, Elijah Alex here, makeup artist, beauty influencer, and all around personality. But if you're returning to my channel, hi gorgie, welcome back. You guys, you were not speaking to Elijah Alex today, you're speaking to a more gorgeous darling. Ooh, the reacting, the acting. So in today's video, we are getting into drag part 2. I'm going to show you guys how I do my drag makeup as a more gorgeous. Before we head on into the video, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button below so you can be subscribed to my channel and be a part of the Gorgie Nation, and also give this video a big thumbs up. But without further ado, let's get ready to lip sync for our lives, darling, because this look. Alright, you guys, so I pretty much put my wig cap on, glued my eyebrows down. As y'all can tell, you know, my wig cap is pre-colored to my kind of skin tone. But I'm gonna try something out new today. I was gonna make a different video of this, but I was like, y'all getting into drag with me and watching how I do my style of drag or whatever. So I done bust out. I bought these like a couple of weeks back. These are facelifts, and I really wanted to try them, and they're just so I don't know. I don't know. Y'all stay pause after these quick messages. We're back. I figured out how to use the face tapes, and I mean, she's lifted. I mean, I'm lifted back. I'm snatched back. My drag makeup's not really that different than my regular makeup. I do the same things. So I'm gonna take my MAC. This is my Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. Bring back my girl. Now that I'm pretty much concealed, I don't blend out my concealer just yet. I'm taking my foundation, my first foundation, which is the NARS Soft Matte. This is probably one of my favorite foundations to use. In general, not just for drag. So I'm just gonna put my foundation on. Very fast pace. Let's speed up the process. Taking my Krylon TV paint stick, which is like a staple in doing drag makeup. Like if you don't got one, then you not it. I'm in the shade V20. Just gonna take it how I normally take it for this. Oh no, this thing did not just... We moving on to the fun part, my cheekbones. So my cheekbones, I don't really like overly do it because I do have high cheekbones already. So what I do, I'm taking my Morphe. This is my Morphe Dimension Effect Stick. Dimension Effect Stick in the shade Effect 18. And what I do is I take the cheekbone here, right here, and just swoop. Thank you, or whatever, using another emoji brush. I'm using my Turn Up the Base powder foundation from One Size Beauty. If you guys want to know, I am in the shade Dark 5 and R, so for all my neutral skin tone people out there who, you know, we together. Hi, what's up? But I'm gonna put this on top of where we did that powdering. But in reality, I don't actually do drag, you guys. I really want to, but like I just really want to. It's just my timing kind of. Oh, not really. I'm just making up excuses, child, because I could have been done drag, but I definitely want to do that. because we have some amazing drag queens here in Orlando, like Roxy Andrews from RuPaul's Drag Race and RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars, Darcel Stevens, Giselle Barbie Royale, who else do we have? We have Axel. He's a drag performer, Axel Andrews, Carmen, what is her name? Carmen Cavalli Andrews. It's like, I always get it mixed up with the other one. But we have some amazing drag talent here in Orlando, and I definitely want to be a part of that. And I think I can do it, honestly. Like, I mean, I think I can. I mean, performance is there. Wigs are there. The makeup is there. The wardrobe, we're gonna have to learn how to sew that part. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows, did my blush, my bronze, you know, everything, and I'm really proud of these brows. I'm getting really good at doing brows now. Okay. But now we're gonna jump into the eyeshadow just to tie this look all together. So I'm going to be using the new Morphe Pride Collection palette, the Live with Love Pride Collection. This is like the volume 2. These are pretty much the color story, so I did swatch a couple. I really like the shades in this. For my eyes, obviously the pulled out eye, but I'm gonna do a nice black, and then the Pride colors all around the black shade, and then some inner workings. So first, I'm going to take this shade right here, this shade called Represent, and I'm just gonna start building up on my eye shape that I normally do. I'm taking the shade Stay Strong, which is the red shade, in the palette on a M514 brush. Earlier before, I am not a drag queen of any form. I do not perform as a drag queen as of right now, so I just try to practice like my drag, try to practice like my makeup and everything that kind of ties in with that and what drag really means to me. So my drag is very, I think I would like to say it's very pretty girl-ish mixed with like edgy. No, I'm lying. I think it's just really like pretty girl-ish, honestly. I'm not sure. Like, I try to be very like different and try new things, especially like when I do my makeup. Like, I definitely like to try new things, but my drag is definitely very artistry based, like me. It's very like pretty girl, like female impersonation, kind of, sort of, but not really. And I don't know, I'm just kind of exploring and diving into that art form and learning so much, and learning how to really just get into drag, honey, and just get into it fully. And being here in Orlando, like I said earlier, there are so many great queens. There's so many great queens down. I recently went to Miami and I went to the Palace. There's so many, oh my gosh, there's so many great queens down there. Honey, those queens are like on like a lot, like they're awesome. And it's fun to see like the aspect of creating this person and transforming yourself, and I just love that, and I just love what drag stands for, so you know. Alright, so I cut my crease off camera just because, you know, I had to, but I'm gonna use the shade, it's called Spark Ideas, in my middle of my corner. So that's pretty much this shade right here, that kind of champagne-y white shade, and I'm just gonna pop that in there, as well as Be Heard, just to give it like a gradient effect. Taking the shade Be Heard, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a gradient here. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much one eye done on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, finish the other eye, pop on a lip, a lash, and also throw on my outfit and my wig, and this full drag little moment y'all get to see a more gorgeous more often. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see her more or not. I don't know, but a more gorgeous will come to life, and we'll be right back. And that's pretty much the ending look. This look came out so amazing. I'm just like, she's a woman. She's a woman, honey. She's a woman. This drag look definitely was super, super amazing to create once again and show you guys how I basically do my drag makeup as a more gorgeous. And as I continue to practice, you know, drag makeup and get into drag and officially perform as a queen in wherever I'm gonna perform, child. That's pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for sitting down with me and watching this video and staying tuned for this drag makeup tutorial. If you guys like more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next, what kind of drag makeup I should do next, or if I should maybe do one after a queen on RuPaul's Drag Race. You never know. Don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button below so you can be subscribed to my channel and be a part of the Gorgy Nation. And also give this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you get notified, anytime I post a brand new YouTube video. New YouTube videos are out every Friday, and you can follow me on all my social media platforms at Elijah Alex with 2 X's at the end of them, and on Snapchat at Elijah Alex 1. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to become the artist. Bye!